Comparing high-capacity air fryers, Ninja Foodi, Instant Vortex Plus, and Philips Premium. When considering high-capacity air fryers, the Ninja Foodi 7-quart DualZone Air Fryer stands out for its versatility and user-friendly features. To provide a comprehensive comparison, let's examine two notable competitors: the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer and the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. We'll explore the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. The Ninja Foodi DualZone Air Fryer is designed to cook two different foods simultaneously, thanks to its dual cooking baskets and smart finish feature. Pros. DualZone technology allows simultaneous cooking of different dishes with varied settings, ensuring both are ready at the same time. Large capacity. The 7-quart capacity is suitable for preparing meals for larger families or gatherings. Versatility. Offers multiple cooking functions, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Ease of use. User-friendly interface with intuitive controls and easy-to-clean components. Cons. Counter space. Its larger size may require significant countertop space, which could be a consideration for smaller kitchens. Price point. Priced higher than some single-basket air fryers, which might be a factor for budget-conscious consumers. The Instant Vortex Plus is known for its compact design and multiple cooking functions, making it a popular choice for many households. Pros. Even crisp technology delivers a crispy finish, mimicking deep frying results with less oil. Multiple functions includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate options, providing versatility in cooking. Compact design. Its smaller footprint is ideal for kitchens with limited space. Ease of cleaning. Features dishwasher-safe components, simplifying the cleanup process. Cons. Single basket. Lacks the ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with different settings, unlike dual basket models. Capacity limitations. The 6-quart capacity may be insufficient for larger families or batch cooking. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is designed for large families, offering substantial capacity and advanced cooking technology. Pros. Large capacity. Can handle meals for up to 6 people, making it suitable for bigger households. Fat removal technology. Designed to reduce and capture excess fat from food, promoting healthier cooking. Versatility. Capable of grilling, baking, roasting, and reheating, in addition to air frying. User-friendly interface. Intuitive controls with preset cooking programs for ease of use. Cons. Size. Its larger dimensions require ample counter space, which may not be suitable for all kitchens. Price. Generally positioned at a higher price point compared to other air fryers, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Each of these air fryers offers unique features catering to different needs. The Ninja Foodi 7-quart DualZone Air Fryer is ideal for those seeking the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Meanwhile, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is suited for larger families desiring a high-capacity appliance with advanced fat reduction technology. Consider your specific cooking requirements, kitchen space, and budget to select the air fryer that best fits your lifestyle.